Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to study about the differential calculus and differentiate any functions by the chain rule here. Now if y equal to u vx, then v is the function of x and u is the function of vx, then dy by dx differentiate the function y with respect to x equal to d by dvx and u vx into dvx by dx. This and this cancel out here. In this case, this and this cancel out here, and d by du vx by dx is known as chain rule. It can be also written as this: if y equal to u, function of vwx here, then on differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx, so that d of this by d of vwx here and dwx vwx by dwx and dwx by dx, this and this cancel, so that d of u vwx divided by dx. This is known as chain rule. Now we take one example here. If y equal to log sin x, then find dy by dx. In this case, solution y equal to log sin x, on differentiating with respect to x, on differentiating with respect to x, both sides we get dy by dx equal to d by dx log sin x. This can be also written as d by d of sin x log sin x into d of sin x divided by dx. d of sin x divided by dx. Now, as you know that d by dx log x base equal to 1 by x, log x equal to 1 by x, so that d by d sin x log sin x, this is a sin x x and x 1 by x, so that sin x with respect to this log sin x, that is equal to 1 by sin x, and d by dx sin x. Now d by dx log sin x, d by d of sin x log sin x. Now d by dx log x equal to 1 by x, so that in the similar sense d by d sin x log sin x is equal to 1 by sin x, and d by dx sin x differentiation of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x, so that cos x by sin x equal to cot x. This is our answer here. This is our answer here. Now we take another example. Now find dy by dx. Question number 12. Y is equal to if y equal to e के पावर tan inverse x का होल क्यूब 13 y equal to log e tan inverse under root 1 plus x square y equal to sin square x. Next question, y equal to log के पावर 3x and 16 y equal to ln के पावर 4 sin x. Now first of all we take the question number 12. Y equal to e के पावर tan inverse x के पावर 3 and differentiating both sides with respect to x. Here dy by dx equal to d by dx of e के पावर tan inverse x के पावर cube here. Now this can be written as d by e के पावर x, as we know that d by dx e के पावर x equal to e के पावर x, so that we arrange this with respect to chain rule. D by d of this and e के पावर tan inverse x, and this comes here d of tan inverse x के पावर 3. This is a tan inverse x and d of tan inverse x by dx. Now this and this cancel, this and this cancel, so that dy by dx equal to d by dx e के पावर tan inverse x के पावर whole cube, so that no change in this. Now in this case e के पावर x, let us suppose that this is equal to x with respect to x is equal to this, so that say differentiation of e के पावर tan inverse x के पावर cube equal to e के पावर tan inverse x के पावर 3. As you know that d by dx e के पावर x is equal to x. In the similar things, d of this with respect to this is same thing. Now this is d by dx x के पावर m. As we know that d by dx x के पावर n equal to n x के पावर n minus 1. Now differentiation of this with respect to this. In the similar things, differentiation of this with respect to this is equal to nxn minus 1 and 3 tan inverse x के पावर 2, so that this is equal to into 3 tan inverse x के पावर 2 here. And this case d by dx tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square, so that this is our answer. Differentiation of this with respect to x equal to e के पावर tan inverse x के पावर cube into 3 tan inverse x के square, and tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. This is our answer. Now next question 13. Find dy by dx if y equal to log tan inverse under root 1 plus x square. This is this. Now differentiate it with respect to x. dy by dx equal to d by, we arrange with respect to chain rule. With the help of chain rule, d by, this is a log x, similar. Now d of tan inverse under root 1 plus x square
and log tan inverse 1 plus x square. This comes here, d of tan inverse this divided by tan inverse x, so that in place of x 1 by x square, and this comes here, and this is also with respect to 1 plus x square, and d of 1 plus x square divided by dx. Now if this and this cancel, this and this cancel, this and this cancel, so that d by dx log tan inverse under root 1 plus x square, no change. Now as you know that here log x, differentiation of log x equal to 1 by x. In the similar things, log of this with respect to this is 1 by tan inverse under root 1 plus x square. So that log of this with respect to this is 1 by tan inverse under root 1 plus x, and now into this d by this tan inverse x equal to d by dx tan inverse x, d by dx tan inverse x equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Differentiation of this with respect to x equal to this, so that differentiation of tan inverse this with respect to this is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. X means this under root 1 plus x square का square, 1 by 1 plus x square, and x equal to under root 1 plus x square का square, 1 plus this. Now this is here d by dx, this with respect to this 1 plus x d by dx, this is equal to d by d of 1 plus x square, and this is equal to 1 plus x square to power half. Here in this case, this comes with respect to this nxn minus 1 and 1 by 2 1 plus x square to power minus half. This is equal to n minus 1 and n minus 1 and 1 minus n minus 1 and 1 by 2 minus 1. This is also equal to 1 by 2 1 plus x square to power minus. This can be also written as 1 by 2 under root 1 plus x square. So that this is equal, this can be written as 1 by 2 under root 1 plus x square, and now this d by dx, differentiation of 1 with respect to x equal to 0, and d by dx 2x nxn minus 1, this is equal to 2x here. Now 2 and 2 cancel, adding 0 plus 2x and 2x, 2 and 2 cancel, so that this can be written as 1 by tan inverse under root 1 plus x square into 1 by, this is a square, is this removed, so that 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square and 2 plus x square, 2 plus x square, and here this 2 and 2 remove, so that x by under root 1 plus x square. This is our answer here. Now Now we take next. Now question number 14. Y is equal to sin square x, and we have to find dy by dx. Y is equal to sin square x. Now on differentiating both sides with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx sin square x. Now this can be written as d by d of sin x and sin square x, and d of sin x by dx. This and this cancel, so that d by dx sin square x, no change. Now as you know that d by dx x to the power n is equal to n x to the power n minus 1. In the similar things, sin x to the power 2 with respect to sin x, that is equal to sin 2 sin x, so that this is equal to 2 sin x. Differentiation of sin square x by sin x, this is a 2 sin x, nx is a 2 sin 2 minus 1 and 2 sin x. And differentiation of sin x with respect to x equal to cos x. This is equal to cos x. This is our answer. This is our answer. 2 sin x into cos x. It can be written as sin 2x. It can also be written as sin 2x. Now, question number 15. Here, 15 is equal to y equal to ln के power 3x. ln के power 3x. ln means log x के power 3, and differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx ln के power log x के power here 3, ln के power 3x. This can be written as d by d of ln x, ln x के power 3. Now this can be written as d of ln log x divided by dx, d by dx, this and this cancel, ln के power cube x. Yeah, it can written as ln and it also read log x. Now in the similar things as here, d by dx x के power n is equal to n x के power n minus 1. Differentiation of this with respect to x, so the differentiation of this with respect to this is equal to nx, and 3 log n minus 1 log and 3 minus 1 in ln 2. 3 ln square x into d by dx log x, d by dx log x base equal to 1 by x, so that value of this is equal to 1 by x. It can be written as 3 ln square x divided by x. This is our answer. 3 ln square x divided by x. Now question number 16. Here y equal to ln के power 4 sin x. y equal to ln के power 4 into sin x. Now it is also differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx equal to d by dx. This is also written as d of ln के power 4 sin x
sin x divided by d of ln sin x with respect to this, and this is here d of ln sin x divided by d of sin x, and d बटे dx, this is equal to sin x. Now d by dx x के power n and nx n minus 1, so that 4 comes here, so that 4 ln के power 3 sin x here. Now d of ln x log x with respect to x 1 by x, so that d of this is sin x with respect to sin x equal to 1 by sin x, and d बटे dx sin x that is equal to cos x, This is our answer. It can be written as cos x by sin x that is equal to cot x. Now this is our answer here. Now here find y dash. If y equal to y dash means dy by dx. If y equal to 2 के power sin x, 18 y equal to f of 1 by x, 19 y equal to 1 by f x, and 20 y equal to log sec x. Here now 17 y equal to 2 के power sin x, and we have to find y dash. Y dash equal to dy by dx, and differentiating with respect to x, dy dx, 2 के power sin x here. Now we know that d by dx, 2 is a constant, d by dx a के power x equal to a के power x log a base e. In the similar things, a के power x, this comes here, and log, this is a constant term, so that in this case 2 के power sin x, 2 के power sin x, and log 2 base e, and d by dx sin x equal to differentiation of sin x with respect to x equal to cos x, so that this is a 2 के power x into log 2 base e into cos x. This is our answer. Now question number 18. Y equal to f of 1 by x here, and now y dash equal to dy by dx, differentiating with respect to x here, d by dx. Now arrange this d by dy by dx, and this cancel, so that d by d of 1 by x with respect to 1 by x is equal to f dash 1 by x, and this can be also written as d by dx, and this comes x के power minus 1. Now this is equal to minus 1, x के power minus 1 into minus 1, so that this can be written as 1 by x square, and in minus 1 by x square, this can be written as this, so that the value of y dash is equal to f dash 1 by x into 1 minus 1 by x square. This is our answer. Now question number 19. Y is equal to 1 by f x. Here y is equal to 1 by f x, dy by dx, y dash equal to here d by dx, d of this comes here,
fx to the power minus 1 and d of fx. Now x to the power n equal to nx n minus 1. In the similar things, this is also equal to minus 1 by fx square and d by dx fx is equal to f dash x. This is answer. Now question number 20. Y is equal to log sec x. Log sec x on differentiating with respect to x dy by dx and arrange this d by dx and ln sec x, this and this cancel, so that d by d of sec x ln x d by dx log x by x d by dx log x is equal to 1 by x. In the similar things, d of log sec x with respect to sec x is equal to 1 by sec x and d by dx differentiation of sec x with respect to x is equal to sec x tan x, so that sec x cancel, this is equal to tan x. This is our answer. Now we see another method 7, differentiation of implicity. Now method 7, differentiation of implicity functions. First of all, we discuss about the implicity functions. The relation between the variable x and y are given by an equation containing both. This equation is not immediately solvable for y, then y is called an implicity functions of x and it can be written as phi of xy equal to 0. Now we take example 21, x square plus y square is equal to 4. Then find dy by dx and a differentiation of function with respect to x. And another example 22, if x square plus y square plus xy equal to 2, then find dy by dx. Now solution of 21. Here implicity functions x and y are given that x square plus y square equal to 4. On differentiating with respect to x, we get both sides, we get d by dx x square plus y square equal to d by dx of 4 here. Now this is the sum of this. This can be written as d by dx x square plus d by dx y square. This is equal to here 0 because differentiation of constant term, that is equal to 0. Now this is equal to x to the power n nxn minus 1, so that this is equal to 2x to the power 1 plus this can be written as d by dy into d by dy y square plus d into dy by dx equal to 0. Now this can be written as, this is a differentiation of this 2y and dy by dx equal to this is plus 2x, here minus 2x, so that dy by dx equal to 2 cancel, that is equal to x by y. This is our answer. Dy by dx equal to here x by y. Now question number 22 here. If x square plus y square plus xy equal to 2, then find dy by dx. Now here x square plus y square plus x square equal to 2, on differentiating both sides with respect to x. Here d by dx x square and d by dy y square into dy by dx, and this is in product form dx by dx into y plus x into dy by dx. Now this is equal to 2y and this is equal to 1, and this is y and x dy by dx. Now x plus 2y dy by dx equal to, this comes here minus 2x and minus y, so that 2x plus y, so dy by dx equal to minus 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. This is our answer. Now like, subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.